2017 Lexus NX300 for a Cobra Touch Immobiliser. We'll come round to the front of the vehicle. As you can see, we have the immobiliser placed down just below, flashing away. If we put our foot on the brake and try to start the vehicle, we have no starting of the engine. Obviously you get 2 tags with this immobiliser, so they are like magnets. If we are going to touch, you'll see the light will now distinguish. We can now put on the brake and start the car as normal. As you can see, it is now on, ready to drive. If we switch off, we can now simply press the button again, or we can wait an additional 4 or 5 minutes and it will reactivate automatically. Vice versa, you just press it and it will reactivate, as you can see, flashing red again.